In this section, we need to modify the information bar at the bottom. Open homepage. Open the dashboard. Click Customize. See the button. Select Edit. Copy the information from the example. Paste it in your website. Change the social icon. Copy from the example to our new website. This is Twitter. Now we copy the address Facebook. Copy Instagram. Google Plus we needn't, and delete it. Copy address YouTube. After modification, publish. Now, modify the information of the company. Click the icon. Copy the information from the example. The address we needn't, so delete it. Change the telephone number. Fax we needn't, and so delete it. Email information we need. Copy and paste. And click Publish. Now we need to change this section. But first, modify payment page. This is an example. Go to Pages. Create a new page. Copy the article in the example and paste it. Copy all the content from the example. Save draft. and publish it. This is the address of this page. We copy it and go back to dashboard, appearance, customize. Click there. Paste the link in this place and publish. Now go to our new website, refresh it, and click it. You will find the page have changed. Now we create a new page about the delivery. This is the example. We need to copy this page to our website. Go to dashboard. Click pages. Add a new page, delivery. Copy the title. And paste it. Copy the content. And publish it. You will see the link. Copy the link. Go to dashboard, appearance, customize. Click edit. Paste the link of the article and publish. Go to our website. After refreshing, you can see the page. Modify the corporate information at the bottom menu. But first, we see the example. We need to copy this information to our website. At first, create a page, privacy and cookies. Copy the content of the example website, copy the title and copy the content. And paste it. Publish. Copy link. First, paste in it. Create page, terms. First, we see the example. We copy it to our website. Go to dashboard. Add new pages. Copy and paste the content from the example. And paste it. Save it. We edit the link because the old link is too long. And save it. Publish. Copy link. Save it. At first, we see the example. Go back to dashboard. Pages. Add new page. Copy the all information as the example and paste it in our website. Publish. Copy link. Save it. Go to dashboard. Click Customize. Paste the corresponding link. Copy and paste it. Copy the link about terms and paste it. This we needn't remove. This section we also needn't remove it. About us. Copy the link about us and paste it. Publish it. Refresh after saving. You will see your new information. Okay, successful. We look at about us. It's also changed. No, we change the corporate information. Go back to dashboard. Appearance. Customize. And change it. We can copy the information from the example and paste it. Click Publish. Refresh our new website. You will see the information have changed.